let me walk you through on how to do your own research, DYOR, using investing.com. Investing.com is a website where you can do your own research by yourself, easy to use and simple to utilize. Type in the stock name you want to buy or you want to research. For instance, I'm searching on Tesla right now. We could see that the price now is $109.10, and it gives you the overview of all you can know about Tesla and some technical analysis about it with community sentiments about Tesla. It makes it easy for you to make a decision as quick as possible and look at properly. You can see that on the hour, daily, weekly and monthly charts is a strong sell. So this will give you a guide on how and what to do. Now let's get to the news. You can see about the news concerning Tesla, the targets, the worsts of the year, the market extra. You can go through those news, read about them so that you get a glimpse of what is happening on Tesla. Investing.com is a very simple website that anyone can go through and understand easily. It doesn't take time for you to understand how to utilize this simple and easy website. Let's also get to the technical aspect of it. Now on the technical, we could see hourly chart is strong sell, and it gives you the indicator they used in analyzing the stock. When you check out the daily chart again, you can see also the moving average is a strong sell. All these are market sentiments about Tesla, and it's not they're not telling you to sell at this moment, but they are giving you analysis based on market sentiments. Analysis of market sentiment. Now also on the technical analysis, we can see that the price is below resistance 1, 2, 3 and is above support. We can see also the moving average, 5 moving average. Remember, we're looking at daily charts at this moment. The 5 moving average, that's 5 days moving average, is a strong sell. The 10 days moving average is a strong sell. Even at 20, still a strong sell. Even at 50, still a strong sell. You can see it moving above MA 200, giving us room also to make some sales and position ourselves for a buy. The historical data concerning it, the price, the opening and closing, the dates. Let's move to the financial aspect. This place, it has the quarterly and the annual. About the financial aspect of the company, financial statement, income statement, and everything about finance. You can see the total revenue, the gross profit, the operational income, the net income. Based on your analysis, you can check quarterly or you can check annually to make a quick decision. I usually use annually for a quick understanding of how the company is doing financially. Then you now move down to quarterly to see what to do at this present hour. This financial aspect is the bedrock of all the analysis you are doing. You are not buying shares just for buying sake. You are buying companies, and you need to invest in company that is doing well. So this will give you the total annual report of each company you are investing. You can get some data for your fundamental analysis, such as the PE, the book value, and other things you can search for in these fundamentals. Looking at the price action of Tesla, you can find out that it's on downward trend, and it gives you time to look at the chart properly, and also move your line on it and draw your trend line also on the chart to give you a view of the downward trend in Tesla. Let's look at the monthly chart of Tesla. We could see the all-time high and where the current price is. I expect more price to move down more before it can gain momentum for an upward movement. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and appreciate us. Thank you so much for your time.